here at our click and collect, guys. It's pretty packed. This is the first time I've seen it really packed. On a Saturday afternoon.
I think it's because of the restrictions that have been...
Yeah. So...
Is today the 16th or the 17th?
17th, girl. How's everyone going? I hope everyone's going well. Welcome back to another vlog. Not much has been happening. Restrictions have made everyone restricted. Thank you. Yeah, restrictions are here, so it's restricting our lives, movements. Not our mouths, still eating.
Not me.
We all know the truth in this matter. Anyways, thank you very much for subscribing. We're going to... I'm so sorry. I have to wear my mask because I'm at click and collect. And I'm being a good citizen of the land. Oh. There's a lady over there that thinks that we took her spot because she was pointing at us. Where? With the black mask. With her hands on her hips. We didn't take no one's spot. The car moved out. Like, there's 4 spots over here at click and collect. The person that moved out of here moved out and we came into the spot. The other lady was already in the spot. Sneezy Lees. Anyways, sorry, put on my halo again.
I know, she's so naughty.
We out here, we're still hustling, grinding, slowly. I think our focus has been mainly on our brother's wedding. Or both brothers' weddings. So we have 2 brothers who are getting married, one in September, one in November. And so all our focus and energy has been around that, which is ultimately not what I want. I want to spread out my energy to all things. So yeah, to be better, that is what we need to do. Anyways, we're doing well. Are you doing well, sis? I hope you got the chance to check out our sister's episode. I really enjoyed that episode on our podcast, Nights of the Round Long Long. We'll put a link in the description below. Also, shout out to everyone who's doing it hard during these lockdowns. I see and I hear all of the videos being posted all over social media with small businesses that are struggling. It's hard. It sucks. I'm not sure what we can do, like what more we can do other than post or reshare their videos and send them some money on their GoFundMe page, you know. Anyways, love you all. Thank you very much for your love and support for this small channel. You guys are the real MVP. We're at our girl's coffee. Catch up. Oh, did you speed here? We are great. Naomi's here. Good girl.
So much better than my first one.
So Red made us cheesecake. Ready, Liz, for the great cake? Dun 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 dun.
She didn't ask you if you're ready. Okay, I'm gonna move your bag. Wait, hold on. Stop the video. Yeah, that's it. Wait. Stop the
Okay.
video. We'll start again.
What? It's too late.
Okay. Side.
Oh my gosh, that's proper. Oh my gosh. I would show you Red, but she doesn't like being on camera. But she made us cheesecake. Oh, you're the best, girl. I really like French. What are they called? French bulldogs. And there's one here. Halloumi burger with chicken. Still want to go halves?
Yeah. Only if you like.
Yeah, I'm good. Wagyu.
Yeah, thank you. Thank you very much.
Oof, looks legit.
There was a kangaroo like right down the stairs basically. And of course she saw it.
Is it okay?
Yeah.
Did it survive?
Yeah, it'll live.
Hi! Hi!
I just like him.
Hi!
He's like, someone's missing. Lizzie is buying some docks. Josh, are you still cutting his hair?
No, he took a break because he was going to do a break.
Oh, I was gonna say, like, what the heck?
I was gonna say, like, just some VIP experience, man. Must be nice to be on the other side of the chair, eh, Elijah?
Doing great.
Well, so he's going to come on to cheers like, so do you know what?
Josh, how come that line looks crooked?
You've never looked better, Elijah. You look beautiful.
Josh, why does that line look crooked?
Michael, stop lying.
Oh, my mask matches my hair ties, scrunchies. We're here click and collect to get our order, and we're really late because we were having a sleep-in. You okay there, Lizzie?
Well, I didn't know that we were coming to the chemist warehouse, so look at my outfit. Like, what the heck am I wearing? I didn't know we were coming out anywhere, but it is what it is.
Lemon. Thank you.
Do you want a chocolate suiker? Okay. Adieu.
Oh?
Chocolate suiker.
Oh no, thank you.
Come back.
Are you okay there, Dad?
Her older brother and sis.
The word destiny. I had a look through the dictionary, and the meaning of the word destiny is the events that will necessarily happen to a particular person or thing in the future. So, what an interesting meaning to this word. We all have a God-given destiny to fulfill. Our destinies have been handcrafted and meticulously crafted and designed by God for us to work towards. But sometimes, because we are human and we have our own desires and wants and needs in this world as well, sometimes we deviate from that path of discovery because we stumble due to our own pride, our own laziness, unforgiveness and resentment, our own doubts, our own guilt, our own shame, and our own lack of operating in the convictions of our faith. You see, yes, God created us. And yes, He mapped out our lives. And yes, He almost rolls out a red carpet from birth right up until we make it to heaven. But then He also gives us the freedom of choice. It's the freedom of choice part that we sometimes get wrong. Right now we are at the boys' game again on Monday night, the AFL tag game, and me and Liz are here. We were supposed to film with our video footage. What do you call it? With our video cameras, but because it was raining today, we're trying to protect the peace and keep safe and don't want any gears to get wrecked. So here we are. Uso is making his debut today. Feeling pumped, Uso? Yeah. Yeah, he won't fall. He'll be fine. As you can see, I'm all rugged up, guys. Look, I've got a cardi, I've got my hoodie, and I've got my earful, and be ready. We're just missing snacks. Lizzie,
Yeah.
say hello.
Hello.
She is finishing off her movie, Fatherhood, with Kevin Hart. Come on! Shot, Jesse! I don't know what he called. Woo!
Wait. I think that was in a try. That wasn't a try?
Because it was just Jesse said something that
Or obstruction, because if you like.
Oh my gosh, look at the fog on the field.
the wall.
The fog on the field.
It's scary, man. It's gonna eat us alive.
What the hell?
Come on, boys.
No, yeah, because they're not allowed to block their tags.
Who blocked his tag?
They
Oh.
blocked their tags so they couldn't.
Come on, boys! No. Oh, come on. Ooh. Shot team. What does that mean?
Was that a try? Was that not a try? Was that a try?
It was not a try.
Not a try. Yeah, because I didn't see him do his.
Come on, boys! Locked it in.
See, no, Freddy.
31-19. Oh my gosh. Look, I usually have a lot of faith,
Yeah.
but
We've
but
been
right
overtaken
now,
by the fog.
the
fog has come to come.
Yeah, watch, this is gonna be up shot. Rev, Uso! Man.